How to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify, how to actually add products automatically, how to fulfill products and much more. So to get started, actually head over to CJDropshipping.com. I will leave you the link for this down below. Now basically the upside with CJ Dropshipping is that with this you are going to get tons of products at a relatively cheap price, and also the shipping times overall are super quick compared to other providers like AliExpress, for example. Also, if you're for example going to look at Sendrop, you can see that actually Sendrop is paid only, and Sendrop is going to cost you $50 per month, whereas on CJ Dropshipping everything is completely free. Obviously you will have to pay for the products when you're going to fulfill them, but other than that everything is free. So let's for example look at this portable mini terminal printer right here. So let's quickly open this up, and then let me actually demonstrate you this. So as you can see, the product price is going to be between $2 to $38, and actually we do have two options when it comes to the shipping. Firstly, we do have the US warehouse, and as you can see with this, the estimated delivery time actually would only be 3 to 7 days, which actually shows how powerful this is, because otherwise on AliExpress or even on Sendrop actually, for most products you are going to have 14 plus days shipping times, which just is way too much. And on CJ Dropshipping, everything is super fast when it's from the US warehouse. By the way, you can right now get completely free access to my comprehensive Shopify beginner course by using the link down below. This will also grant you access to a community with hundreds of like-minded people so that you can grow together. So make sure to check that out if you want to. Now they also do have a lot of China warehouses. However, even for this, the shipping time, let's actually wait until this is updated. The shipping time for the China warehouses also are pretty good. As you can see, only 8 to 14 days. Now 14 days is on the higher end, and I think like around 8 to 14 days still is bearable, because obviously with CJ Dropshipping you're going to have a pretty cheap price. As you can see, the total price is going to be between $6 to $69, which is going to come down to the product variant. So let's just select this. As you can see, this one right here would be $30 for example. Then I guess they also do have different colors and also some things to refill this, I guess. This is why this one for example would cost $3. And then right here we can actually also select the shipping method. As you can see, you are going to have tons of different options when it comes to the delivery time. Obviously all of these options are going to have different delivery times and different shipping fees and so on. So if you for example do want to offer express shipping or anything else, basically you are going to have that option. So to get started, once again head to the link down below, which will redirect you to CJ Dropshipping, and then actually just register for an account. Right here you will have to firstly put in your email. Now as this is just an example video, I'm just going to quickly put in a temp mail, and then I'm quickly going to enter a random password. And right here you will have to put in the username. I'm just going to put in E. Krause, and then you will have to put in your first name, your last name, as well as a phone number. Once again, I'm just going to put in anything random right here, because I don't want to waste your time. So I'm just going to move forward with this. So actually you can actually just skip this user formula. Just click on skip now right here, and then you are going to be redirected to the CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Now the first thing that you will have to do is to actually secure and verify your email. So to do so, just click on the email that you have probably received right now, and then click on this link right here. This will then redirect you to the CJ Dropshipping confirmation page, and now we're basically done with the CJ Dropshipping account setup. Alright, perfect. So now we can actually continue, and we can actually now find a product that we would want to sell. So as you can see right here, CJ Dropshipping is going to offer you a trending products tab, where you can see tons of different products that are currently selling, that other dropshippers are currently selling. You are also going to get a new products tab right here. You can see video products and so on. Now in my case, as I actually do have kind of a clothing example store, I'm just going to look for, I guess, just something like top. Let's see what is going to come out of this. So as you can see, maybe something like this. Okay, maybe let's just look for, I don't know, t-shirt men. I'm just going to use anything random essentially, and then we can actually also filter this by warehouses. So if you, for example, only do want to see products that are available in the US warehouse or Germany, Australia, Canada, Britain, France, and so on, then you can select that right here. You can select the types, the prices, you can select if they should have free shipping or not, and so on. Now in this case, let's actually just look through this. I guess I'm just going to go with this this t-shirt right here. Very nice, very good looking, okay. And then as you can see, the product price would be $2. However, I think the shipping is also going to be, yeah, as you can see, the total price would be actually between $7 and $770, which I guess is pretty good. Then right here under the shipping from thing, we can see that actually for this, only the China warehouse is available. However, the estimated delivery time only would be 7 to 12 days, which actually is great. We can actually also change the shipping method if we do want to, but once again, I'm just going to leave this at the default because with this, the shipping fee is going to be quite low actually. So to now actually import this product onto your Shopify store, you will just have to click on connect right here, because we will have to first of all actually connect CJ Dropshipping onto Shopify. This will allow us to actually automatically then integrate and automatically basically upload products. So just click on authorize right here. And then you will have to click on install. This is going to redirect you to the installation process of CJ Dropshipping, of the CJ Dropshipping app within Shopify. So just click on install right here. And this should then actually automatically redirect you to this page where you will then have to authorize your CJ Dropshipping account so that everything is correctly set up. And this will allow you to basically automatically import products, to automatically sync orders, to automatically fulfill orders, and much more. So let's now head back to our product right here, and let's now actually refresh the site. And now we can actually click on list right here to actually list this onto our Shopify store. So right here we would have to select the store that we want to add this to. In my case, I only have one store added, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And then we can actually update the shipping information. So if you do want to actually change this, you can do so right here. Then as for the product type, this would obviously be t-shirt. We can also add a new product type right here, which I'm obviously not going to do right now. Then right here under collections, we will have to select the collections where this should actually get added to. Now, in this case, the tops collection actually does make quite a lot of sense, but we can actually also add a new collection, which would then be the t-shirt collection, for example. So I'm just going to click on confirm right here, and we can then also select this collection, and we can also select the vendor. In this case, I guess we can just select either my store or this random vendor, which I've created, or we can also add a new vendor. Okay, perfect. Then we can actually right here customize all of the different product variants. Now, actually setting up the price is going to take quite a lot of time if you're going to have to actually do this manually for every product. So rather, you can just use this bulk revise feature right here. So for example, if you want to do the price change right here, we can then just say, okay, this product should actually be sold at, I don't know, 19 bucks. Then I'm going to click on OK. And now this is going to be updated for every variant out there. So right here, you're then once again going to see an overview of the shipping fee, service fee, total dropshipping cost, and so on. And then we can click on list it now right here. This is going to take a couple of seconds until this is fully loaded onto your Shopify store. So just head over to your Shopify dashboard and then head over to products right here on the left. So as you can see now, we do have this energy milk coffee printing thingy added onto our store. This is going to look something like this. We do have the two pictures right here on the left, as well as all of the variants. Perfect. And then we can actually further customize this. We would obviously have to change the title of this. In my case, I'm just going to change this to energy milk t-shirt funny. Okay, then we can actually change up the description right here. As you can see, by default you are going to have a size chart, you are going to have some product images. You would obviously have to customize this to your needs, and you would probably have to take a little bit more time on that, because obviously by default this product page isn't going to look really professional. However, no worries, you can actually watch my completely free Shopify product page customization guide by clicking on the top right corner. Either way, this is how the product page is going to look right now, and for now I'm actually going to leave it at this. Let me now show you how to actually fulfill orders with CJ Dropshipping. So I do have this random example product right here, and in this case I would then obviously just have to add this onto my cart, and I will then have to check out with this, just to give you guys an example on how this is going to work. Now, just for the sake of this video, I'm quickly going to do an express PayPal checkout, so I'm just going to put in my details. So as you can see, I'm just going to now click on Pay Now, and now this order is going to be processed. Obviously, this is just an example order. I'm not actually going to get this t-shirt right now, and now our order is going to be confirmed. Perfect. So if we're now going to head back to CJ Dropshipping, we will actually have to head to our CJ Dropshipping dashboard. So just click on My CJ right here, and then head to the left. This is going to usually take a couple of seconds, and then head over to orders right here on the left and click on imported orders. Now, as you can see, by default, no orders are going to show up. So rather, we do actually want to sync our store orders with the CJ Dropshipping orders. And to do so, you will just have to click on sync store orders right here on the top right. And then you will have to select, I don't know, all stores or your store. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to select my store. Or I guess I'm going to select all stores. I'm going to click on sync now, and now this is going to usually take a couple of seconds until all of the orders are going to be completely synced up. And usually now your orders are going to show up right here. You're then going to have the options to simply just pay for them right here. You can then also change the shipping for these orders and so on. Now, as I've just made a test order, this isn't going to work. However, for you guys, this is going to work like a charm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out my free resources down below to supercharge your Shopify journey.